been here, just over 46 years, and I've loved every minute of it. Hi, my name is Larry Nauman. I've lived in Berkeley all my life. I went through Pattengill, Anderson, and Berkeley High School. I graduated in 1974 from Berkeley High School. And then in 1975 is when I started working with the school system here. 76, I got married to my high school sweetheart, Donna. We met the Mrs. Lightbody's class at Anderson School. We have 5 kids. 2 of my 5 kids, actually 3 in the school district. I have 4 grandkids, and they'll be going to Berkeley schools shortly here. My father-in-law was a custodian here in Berkeley schools. He was the shift leader on afternoons at the high school, and he kind of dropped a bug in my ear how if I might be interested in being a custodian. In April of 75, I started subbing at Angel School. 3 months later, I was hired. So I guess that's how it started. We do a lot behind the scenes. A lot of people don't know who does these things. I've told people anywhere from A to Z. So pretty much whatever comes up, whatever that phone call tells me to do, or that email or text, we jump on it. And if we can't do it, then we hire a contractor to do it. Again, it can range from anything from picking up trash cans that have been tipped over to electrical, plumbing, carpentry, heating type of stuff, watching over athletic events. Of course, in the wintertime, there's the plowing of the snow. So one of the things I did, I have to get around over here, is I've kept track of every snow day since 1988. If you can see, I've written on my locker, starting up here, February of '88, every single snow day going down up to the one we had last year. I don't know if you can see them. And in the summer months, there's the cutting of the lawns, taking care of the grounds around here, delivering supplies, building things, camp store runs, Meadowbrook, we're part of that operation during commencement, caring and sharing, helping out the schools when they're short-handed. So again, pretty much anything. We've had some unusual things throughout the years. Proud of everything we do. I mean, it could be simply just cutting the grass and looking back at it after we cut it and how nice it looks. The department that I've been running here for 43 years, we've been reliable, and it's just not me, it's past directors of the department too. A phone call could come in and we would jump on it. And so I think the reliability of knowing the job will get done, the urgency of it will be attended to, just knowing that this department is needed. They need somebody they can call on. They can jump in a truck and take care of a problem and still keep school going without sending the kids home. The reliability of the department and getting it done. So I think that's going to be our legacy, and hopefully that continues forward. Just that I've had a lot of fun. I mean, again, Berkeley, the school system, the city is a fun place to be in. My coworkers I've had a lot of fun with. The kids I have a lot of fun with when I see them. I'm going to miss working with the people, helping people out. Again, it could be just simple little things. They don't need to know who did it. I just had that enjoyment of helping, making deliveries, moving things, picking up trash, turning things off. Again, I'm gonna miss that. I miss the fun with everybody, and we've had the grandkids come along in the last 4 years. I hope to spend a lot of time just a lot of time with the grandkids. I want to do some babysitting, I want to help them out, pick them up from school, drop them off, just whatever's needed. So yes, I want to spend time with the kids. As you said, running marathons on Boston, yes, I did that. So I hope to travel more. I hope to run in the New York City Marathon, maybe the Marine Corps Marathon. We just bought a place up north, so we have a vacation house up north, so we'll be spending a lot of time up there. Yeah, but again, I'm gonna be here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna still live in Berkeley. I'm still gonna visit the schools. And again, my kids are gonna be in school, so I'll see a lot of people when I come back. And I will be back.